Hello traders, in this video we are going to be talking about the golden Forex EA for both MT4 and MT5. But before we proceed, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So based on the information available on the MQL5 Marketplace page, this is actually the MT5 version that we are discussing, but as you can see, there is an MT4 version of the EA developed by Kambiz Sharia Nasab. The current version shown here is 226.28, and the product is available with both 1 month and 3 month rental options. 1 month is going for $50 US, 3 months going for $98 US. Starting with the marketplace overview, the developer describes Golden Forex as a counter-trend trading system. According to the description, the EA is designed to work against prevailing market direction and is intended to perform well during ranging or sideways market conditions. The developer also notes that it is preferable to avoid trading during major news events. And as we move through the settings section, we can get a better understanding of how the EA is configured. The main settings include options such as magic number, management, trade execution, deviation, and controls for enabling or disabling buy and sell positions independently. These settings give traders flexibility when managing how the EA interacts with the market. Now, looking at the volume management section, there are several options related to position sizing. Users can choose a fixed lot size or use dynamic volume calculations based on account balance. The EA also includes a multiplier system and martingale related settings, allowing volume to increase under specific conditions. Since position sizing has a direct impact on risk exposure, these settings are some of the most important areas to review carefully before running the EA on a live account. Moving further down, we can see the trade management settings. These include controls for maximum open positions, stop loss and take profit parameters, percentage-based profit and loss controls, distance between positions, trading session hours, and additional options related to position handling. There are also features designed to manage how trades are closed when multiple positions are active. Now let's just transition into the backtesting section. When reviewing historical results, I like to focus on how the EA behaved throughout the tested period rather than looking only at the final profit figure. Now, since the Golden Forex is described as a counter-trend system, the historical chart activity can provide useful insight into how the EA reacted when price moved away from existing positions and how trade management settings influenced overall performance. All right, so let's head over to our strategy tester right away, and we can see I'm testing the Golden Forex EA on XAU USD on the H1 time frame, and the duration of the test is over about 5 months plus. We're running the test from the beginning of this year till date, and as for the delays, we are using the last ping to the server, and of course we are using the every tick modeling for a level of accuracy. Now, from an initial deposit of $100,000, we can see that the total net profit was 271.99, and 30 trades we are taking. Out of those 30 trades, all of them were profitable according to what we can see here. 100% win rate, and the largest profit was 10.65. The average profit was 9.07, and this just shows a level of profitability, right? But remember that past performance does not guarantee future results. So looking through the completed historical analysis, we can observe how position management, and volume settings may have affected the trading sequence during different market phases. Now, the presence of martingale related parameters and distance based position controls suggest that risk settings can have a significant influence on historical testing performance. And as always, it is important to remember that historical backtest results are not guarantees of future performance. Okay, results can vary depending on lot size selection, risk configuration, broker execution, spread conditions, slippage, market volatility, and user optimization choices. All right. So, in as much as the back test that we did here was, about 5 months plus was the duration, I would recommend that if you are really interested in this expert advice, so you would want to test it over a longer period of time, perhaps a year, 2 years, or even more, so that you can be able to capture a wider range of market conditions, and get sufficient data for the back testing, okay, before you can, make your final conclusion. All right. So I'll recommend longer term testing yourself across different market environments so that you can develop a more complete understanding of how the EA behaves under varying conditions. All right. And in a moment, we are just going to look at the visuals real quick. So we're going to see the expert advisor in action. Okay. So having looked at the description on the marketplace page and understood how the EA functions, now we can just briefly look at how it looks like when active as well. All right. So the EA actually seems to be the type to take its time to look for opportunities in the market. It's not really the one to just stack a lot of trades aggressively without waiting for the certain conditions that has been coded into it to play out. All right. But for want of time, I guess we're just going to proceed from here. All right. The Golden Phoenix EA overall presents itself as a counter trend trading system with extensive controls for trade management, position sizing, and risk customization. Before considering live usage, you want to take the time to thoroughly test the available settings, evaluate the historical analysis carefully, and make sure the EA's approach aligns with your personal trading objectives and risk tolerance. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.